Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna work on Peyote Chevron. There won't be any name for this bracelet because it's not a design, it's just a demonstration of this stitch. And I just decided to add magnet clasp to sort of match the colors here. And today for this I'm gonna use, gosh, the magnet is so strong on this one. And today I'm gonna use gold and green, and I'm gonna use a matching clasp as well. Now we're working on delicas. I think this looks pretty well with round seed beads as well, but since I've already made it with delica, I'm gonna continue doing it with delica. Then you're gonna need a stop bead, your thread. I'm gonna be using Miyuki number 20 today to sort of match my gold, and I'm gonna need my needles. I think on this one I've used about 3 meters, but I don't like working with long threads, so I'm just gonna take about 2 meters on my needle and we'll get to work. So I thread my needle. I'm gonna start with my stop bead. I'm gonna leave a tail of about 6 inch and have to add the clasp. Take my needle through and do it one more time. And we're gonna pick up 17 delicas. 5, 10, 15, 17, drop it down. Pick up a delica. Skip one, go through the next bead. Pick up a delica, skip one, go through the next bead. Pick up a delica, skip one, go through the next. Pick up a delica, skip one, go through the next. Here, I'm gonna flip my work around like this. Pick up 2 delicas and take it through next delica. We're gonna try and help those beads look like herringbone. Pick up a delica, go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the last bead here. And then back. Pick up a delica, go through the next. 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 Pick up a delica, go through the last. Flip my work around like this. Pick up 2 delicas, go down the next bead. Help it settle into place. Doesn't have to be perfect. When you come around, it gets fixed by itself, but we just want to help to settle it in place. Go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the last. And that's the base of your chevron peyote. From now on, every row will be same. So I'm gonna pick up a delica, go through the sticky out bit here. Pick up a delica, go through the next sticky out bit. Pick up a delica, go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the last. turn it around, pick up 2 delicates, go down through the next bead, help a bit settle it into place, pick up a delica, go through the next, 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 and this is where you stop. You stop 1 bead short. So basically you would have added 1 bead here, but you don't. This is where you stop. Now on this one I made 4 rows of each color alternating. Here I want to make 5. It's easy to count the rows here. All you do is count the herringbone rows. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna add 1 more. Pick up a delica. See, we stopped short and then we just go back. Pick up a delica, go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the next. Pick up a delica, go through the last here. Turn it around, pick up 2 beads, down the next one, pick up a delica, go through the next, 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 and full stop. Again, you stop 1 bead short. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of green. Now I'm gonna switch to gold. Through the first sticky out bit, through the next, from now on every row is the same. All you have to do is just change colors every 5 rows, or don't change colors, stick to 1, up to you. Flip it over, 2 delicates, go down, let them settle in place, pick up a delica, down, and full stop. Again, we stopped 1 bead short, then back. Turn it around, pick up 2 delicates, down the next bead, help it a bit to settle in place, and continue. and then full stop, one bead short. Flip it over, 2 delicates, down, help it settle in place a bit, delica, down, delica, down, delica, down, delica, down, full stop, one bead short. And that's how you do until the end of your project. This is probably the easiest stitch to make a tutorial on. So I'm gonna keep going. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3 rows of gold now. I'm gonna add 2 more, switch to green, have 5 of these, 5 of these, all the way until I have my required length, and I'm gonna meet you back here to show how to add the clasp. So I finished the length. All we're gonna do is just add the clasp. So I'm gonna continue with the same color. And here at the top, instead of adding 2 delicates, I'm gonna add the clasp. I'm gonna remove one side there. Then continue down. And that's it. I'm just gonna go reinforce it. I'm not gonna add any more beads. I'm just gonna go through delicates. Back through the clasp, turn it around, down that delicate on that side, on this side, and just get rid of the tail. The clasp is quite heavy, so I'm just gonna go up and down a couple times to make sure my thread doesn't come off. Then here, I'm just gonna snip the tail. Now, we're gonna do the second side. I'm gonna remove the stop bead. And thread the tail, and here I'm just gonna go down this bead, down this bead, and down here. So here I am. I'm gonna pick up 2 delicas. I'm gonna use gold just so it blends with the gold clasp. Take the clasp and 2 gold delicas. And here I'm gonna go up the opposite side, like so. Up the bead. Then I'm gonna go down this bead here. It doesn't matter where you go, you just go around the beads to bring your needle back to where it's supposed to be, which is going back down the same bead you came up. And this is where it is. And then go back through all those beads and the clasp. Then up. And just get rid of the tail, just like we did on the other side. So our bracelet's done. Purple black one, and this new one we made, green gold. I'm loving it. The contrast is lovely. And the clasp matches so well. Look at that. It's perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave the links for this bracelet and this bracelet separately. So, you know, if you want this one or the other, you can purchase the products together and you get a kit for yourself. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.